Hello again, guys. I reached to this stage that I clean everything, as you can see right here. Also the heatsink for the nForce chipset right here. I think it has a problem right here. It just, or probably when I try to clean it, I just scratch it in this area anyway. See, but it's not going to be a problem because the thermal compound that I have right here, the deep cool thermal grease. This is the syringe that is provided. This is $5 that I paid, €5, pardon. And it also comes with the sponge, so you can spread the thermal grease on the chipset die. So the best way to do it, you can actually use the small amount that you can put it here in the middle, and after that you just install the heatsink, the heatsink button. Or the other way that I actually like more, and I prefer to spread it myself using a sponge, or you can use a finger, or something that is not sharp and not something with the metal or anything like that, because you may scratch the surface, and after that the GPU die will start to overheat. Pardon. So I'm going to spread right here. Let's put this aside, and also this syringe. From each corner it has to be equal. So that's what I'm trying to accomplish here. It's not going to be perfect because you need a very steady hand, not like mine, but I'm trying to do my best here. So we just need to cover these spots there. So this thing right there, and yeah, this is the final result. You can see there is transparencies everywhere. So all you have to do is just to make it even, to make use from the other way, like that, to cover the transparencies. There is and this is it. Yeah, after that I'm going to put it back, the thermal compound, the heatsink, not the thermal compound, pardon. And this is the result. Yeah. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video where I can test the games and other apps again. Thank you for watching. Bye.